Hello students, so today we are going to learn short division method, how to divide and find the quotient and remainder using the short division method. So let us take a single digit division with a single digit. So let us take 8 divided by 3. So how to do this? 8 we are dividing with 3. So here you have to say the table of 3 till it comes 8. So it will not come. So before that what comes? 6. So 3 2s are 6, isn't it? So what remainder you got here? 3 2s are 6. So instead of writing quotient here you will write the quotient. Remember? So this is a different method. You have to focus. So 3 2s are 6. So from 8 minus 6 is 2. So remainder is 2 here. So this is remainder here you got. So here quotient is 2 and remainder is also 2. So I'll take some other examples where we have the different quotient and different remainders. Now I'll take 2-digit number. So let us take 48 divide with 2. 48 divide this with 2. So we don't want quotient here. So we will not write quotient. So we'll take like this. So this we are dividing with 2. So say the table of 2 till it comes 4. So 2 2s are 4. Complete 4 we got here. So we don't have any remainder. Now 2 4s are 8. So full complete 8 we got here. So this is a quotient and we have no remainder here. So this is quotient and we don't have the remainder. Remainder we don't have. So therefore quotient is 24 and remainder is 0 you can write, or nothing has remained. Now the 3-digit numbers. So let us take the number 974. We are dividing with 4. So see the arrangement how to write. The first example I'll show to show the similarity between our normal long division method. So here we write the quotient, but now you should not write the quotient here. Here only you'll get the quotient below the dividend. So 974 divide this with 4. So say the table of 4 till you will get what? 9. So 9 will not come in table of 4. So 4 2s are 8. So 9 minus 8 is 1. So 1 carry you have to put here. Next, say the table of 4 till it comes 17. So 17 won't come. So 4 4s are 16. So 16. So 17 minus 16 is 1. So we'll put here 1. So they say the table of 4 till it comes 14. But so 14 won't come. So 4 3s are 12. So 12. So remainder will be 2 because 14 minus 12 is 2. So here we'll write the remainder by showing the arrow. So final remainder you have to keep as it is. So here the quotient is 243 and this is the remainder. So always show the quotient like this with this arrow and the remainder remaining with this arrow. So here when we divide this, the quotient is 243 and the remainder is 2. Now I'll take 4-digit number. So this is also very easy method. 2476 divide with 7. So 2476 only the how you have to make the arrangement you can see here, because we won't write quotient here, so we don't want division line there. So this we have to divide with 7. So say the table of 7 till it comes 2, but 2 won't come. So we'll take here double-digit number. Otherwise you have to put here 0. You can put 0 also, because 2 it is not divisible by 7. So 24 we have taken. So say the table of 7 till it comes 24. So 24 won't come. Before that 21 comes. 7 3s are 21. 24 minus 21, 3 remains. So take this as 37. Now 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42. We don't want. So 7 5s are 35. 37 minus 35, 2 we got. So take this as 26. Say the table of 7 till it comes 26 or less than 26. So 26 won't come. So before that 21 comes. 7 3s are 21. 26 minus 21 is 5, isn't it? So this is remainder and this is quotient. This is quotient, and this 5 remains here because we don't have digit here extra. So this is our remainder, and this is quotient. So therefore, when we divide 2476 with 7, we got quotient as 0, 5, 3 means what? 353 only, and remainder here we got as 5. So like this you can divide many numbers, but here the problems, here you can use the, here you should know the table very well, then this method goes very easily. So at least table of 20 or 30 till 30 you should know perfectly, then this will be very easy. Now I'll take where the divisor is 2 digit. So let us take 93 divided with 12. So if we know the tables of 2 digit number, then also you can use this. Here you should know the table of 12, that is double digit number. Otherwise this method you can apply for when the divisor is single digit number. So we can do here 93 divided with 12. So 9 is less than 12, so put 0. Then say the table of 12 till it comes 93. So 93 won't come. So before that what number comes, that we have to take. So 12 sevens are, so 12 sevens is 84. 12 sevens are 84. So from 93 you have to subtract 84. So here you will get the remainder 9, and here we don't have any digit. So the remainder we have to write 9, and this is a quotient. So when we divide this, quotient is 7 and remainder is 9. So as I told you, this becomes difficult because when we have the 2 digit number, here we have to do the subtraction with 2 digit number. So this method, shortcut method, is very useful when you have the divisor as single digit number. So don't think about how much is your dividend. When the this is, let it be 5 digit, 4 digit, 3 digit, 6 digit and so on. When the divisor is single digit number, I suggest you have to go for the short division method.